Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your YouTube TV is blurry and the video is playing in a blurry way. So for example, if I'm watching the TV show Friends and the video that is playing here is not in a good quality and it is blurry. So one way to fix it is that you can simply go to the settings and check in which quality it is playing. So if it is playing on 360 or 240 or 480 pixels, then this will be blurry and not in a good quality. You can change it to 1080 or 720p to increase the quality. The second thing to check if the video is blurry is your internet connection. So you need to go to your laptops or device settings and check if you are connected to the home Wi-Fi. And if you are not connected to the home Wi-Fi or using data, then you should switch to the home Wi-Fi. And you should also do a speed test to check if your internet is working properly. So these are the two methods to improve your or to fix your blurry issue and to improve your playback video quality. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.